Alright, hi guys, my bike check, and start off with the wheels. Profile minis, front and back, alienation, runaway rims, front and back as well, and same with the spokes, which is Primo, don't know what they are, they're alright. Giro Stunner, low tires, the white walls, front and back as well, they're pretty nice. They've lasted me for about 2 months, they've only just started wearing down. Pedals, stolen Thermalite. They're pretty cheap. I blew the bearings in them before, which kind of sucks. But they've lasted me for a while, so they're pretty good. The DK bottom bracket, don't know, it's green. It's lasted me for about a year now, so I need to get a new one. Kiss by Coca Cutter sprocket in purple. Quite nice, really light as well. It weighs only like 50 grams, so that's kind of bonus. Kiss by Co stem as well, really nice. You can either ride it upside down, but I prefer riding it this way. Frame, Chrome Alone, 2012. Very nice, bit tall though for me. I don't know, it's really nice frame to be honest. Mafia bike forks and bars. The shittest parts in the world, so don't buy any Mafia bikes, trust me. I snapped my frame after about 4 months, and that's the frame I had for this. Just don't buy anything, trust me, they're shit. Demolition something headset, I can't remember what it is. I don't know, it's alright, it's pretty smooth. At first it wasn't, but sort it out. Vocal gyro kit, just the whole setup's vocal. Cranks, heavy as fuck, no idea what they are. And a KMC cool kidney bean chain or something like that. Oh yeah, profile seat by Profile. Profile's amazing. So yeah, that pretty much includes everything on my bike. If we missed anything, ask us in the comments. Yeah, bye.